Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a resume in Canva. Let's get started. Using Canva for your resume gives you a creative edge. It helps you design an eye-catching CV. Here's what you need to do. First, create your own Canva account. I already have mine set up here. Go to the search bar and type resume. All right, there you go. Then, choose the resume option. You'll also see options like resume website. We're going to choose the first one. All right, there you go. From here, you'll be able to choose different categories such as professional, modern, simple, infographic, and more. We're just going to scroll down to see more options. Here are some of them. For example, I'm going to click on this one. All right, there you go. Then you can customize this template. It's 100% fully customizable. You can edit and download it right away, and you can also share and publish it. We're going to click Customize this template. Okay, now that we are here, let's zoom in a little bit. All right, there you go. You can now start editing this template. For example here, I'm just going to change the name. All right, then I can edit basically everything here. I can also change the colors. For example, here I can change this one. I've edited and changed the color. After editing everything, click Share from here. You can copy the link to share your resume, or you can download it for yourself. Choose the PDF format and click Download. That's how you can make a resume in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.